In this video, we are going to download a AzCopy and perform a file copy. I'm on the Azure portal. First thing, what we need to do, we need to ensure that the user that you are using has a right permissions. So first thing is that this is the storage account that we created in the earlier demo. We are going to use the same storage account, and we go to the container. And in the container, we also created one test container, right? Let's ensure that test container, nothing is there, right? And on the test container, what is that we're gonna do? We gonna provide this user a access on the data plane. So these roles are little different. So this is the role that basically you have to make sure that you assigning first to the users who does that copy operation in the container. All right, that is essential. That is done. I have done that already to save up on a time. Now once that is done, then go to the Google, say install AzCopy, then basically visit this learn page and you will land here. All right, on this particular page, so many things, right, to digest. What is we are interested in is basically downloading the package. This seems to be all related to Linux. We not interested for Linux. Let's see, install this one. No, that's the same thing. I think this is the one. There you go. Right, let's ensure that you downloading this one. Once you downloaded, you have to extract, and once you extract, you will have your AzCopy available. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open the terminal, and you have to open that in the command prompt. All right, this is the command prompt, and on the command prompt we have to go to the right directory, right, where it is installed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the directory from the other side and make sure that we're getting into that directory first, right? And let's ensure that you can see that AzCopy. See, you don't need to do the installation in this particular case like we do using MSI. It just basically you extract the folder and you will find this AzCopy exe there on the Windows. All right, now let's go ahead and run this command. First you have to log into the enter ID using AzCopy login, and now you have to basically get to this website and then enter this code, so what we're gonna do, let me pull this out on the other side. Let's get to the browser, and here you can say that microsoft.com, that's the device login, and I'm going to type the code that is QPX number 2 ZNU9 and P. Okay, this should authorize the device. Let's pick up the username. Let's enter the password for this particular username. All right, so let's enter that password. Now it says, are you login to the AzCopy? That's fine. And let me bring from the other side. Now you can see that I got logged in. This says that the login is successful, right? That is how you do that. And if you want to see what kind of switches that you can pass to the AzCopy, you just copy AzCopy. And here are the different things that you can do. We just tried this one as of now, and we're going to try this one. Okay, the rest of the things you can give a try later. But what is that we're going to do? We just going to copy a file to the storage account. How do you do that? It just basically the AzCopy command. Let me take it from the other terminal. Here you go. You just say this is the file, this is the particular directory, and this is the file, and we getting that file into this storage account. And there you go. It can say that 100% one done. Right, now we go back to the portal. What is that we're gonna do? Let's make sure that we refresh this guy, and we just want to see that file is landed in the container. All right, so that is how you copy from your desktop to the storage account. But if you reverse the thing, you can copy from storage account to your desktop as well. All right, that is the file landed there just now, right? That's all pretty much about AzCopy. What I suggest, what you can do, you can basically scroll down and there are list of commands supported by AzCopy. We just tried this one, but within this as well, if you just want to go ahead and expand, there are n number of options available. We just tried the first one, but you can try including your shared access signature as well. If you do not want to use Microsoft Entra ID authentication, then you can include your SAS as well, right? And there are a number of options that you can see how to do recursive, how to transfer a set of documents, right? All those things as part of the AzCopy. If we just try it from the desktop like this to the storage account, but you can just take this one as a source and copy to your desktop as well, right? So all those options are there, but what is essential, based on your use cases, you refer this particular page and try several options. Okay, that's all pretty much about AzCopy.